What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. So this video is going to be broken apart into like 2 different days. Today's a Thursday and tomorrow will be Friday, which is whenever the main part of the video will be. But let me just explain a little bit. So last week, me and all my buddies went to the drag strip and I ran the Mach 1 back here and I did horribly. No matter what I did, I could not catch traction. So that night I went home and actually ordered some drag wheels and slicks for the back of this thing. So whenever we go to steel this weekend, I can actually catch traction and use the 100 shot of nitrous that I finally got it tuned for. So tomorrow I'm going to be putting the wheels on and getting everything set up, and then tomorrow night we're going to be racing. So it should be a lot of fun, and I am really excited to show you guys that. So yeah, stay tuned. All right, so before we fast forward to tomorrow, I just want to show anyone that has not seen how I have my nitrous kit set up. It is the nitrous outlet wet plate kit with a wide open throttle switch right there, solenoid. And other than the 100 shot of nitrous, this car is pretty much stock. Obviously I don't have rear seats because that's where the nitrous bottle is placed. But other than that, this car is 100% stock with a nitrous tune. So I'm really interested to see what we run tomorrow with just nitrous and slicks. So yeah, it should be cool. So I got the wheels mounted onto the Mustang and I'm going to show you that right now. So I went with the 15x8 Racestar 92s on the Hoosier QTPs. They're 26 by 9.5 by 15. Now I could have gone a little bit bigger, but I do plan on lowering this car in the next 2 weeks, so I think it'll fit fairly nice with a little bit of a drop. So we're about to be heading to the track in about an hour or two, so I'm gonna pretty much cut to those videos and see how I did.